everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about adult hygiene. Oh, another sensitive topic. Yes, another sensitive topic. All right, so adult hygiene. A while back, I did hygiene and sanitation for babies and infants. Well, hey, it's your turn now. Adult hygiene. What are the things you need to have for your hygiene? Depending whether you're male or female, you're going to need different things. And you're going to need some of the same things. So take a look at what you need. Antiperspirant, soap, shampoos, fingernail clippers, hair clippers, whatever it is to keep you in a healthy environment of yourself. I'm trying to choose the words here right so YouTube doesn't get mad at me. And you need to figure out what it is that you need and you use daily or weekly or even monthly. Make sure you have a good supply of those items so you can take care of your hygiene. All righty. And then it also includes the mouth, brushing teeth, mouthwash, breath mints, because in a real bad situation, sometimes you're eating a little bit differently and you can really develop some bad breath or other gases from other areas. Anyways, I'm sorry, folks. I mean, this is one of those ones you dance around. It's kind of like, I don't want to get too sensitive, but hey, it's a sensitive topic. You need to think about it for yourself and your significant other and your family members. All right. So keep on prepping. Keep on getting your supplies. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Stay safe while you're doing it. Stay happy no matter what you find in the store. If stores are empty, don't get totally disheartened. Go someplace else. But keep a good uplifted spirit and make sure you have enough for your preps, both food, water, and then everything else as well, because you don't want to end up like this.